Hi folks, Chuck, KØXM again with another 878 video. This one's concerning the annoying transmit squawk on the analog APRS side. For years, the hams have known that you don't want to listen to that thing 8 hours a day at least. So manufacturers have made the provision to turn it off. Well, the early Anytones did not have that provision on the 878 when we were beta testing them. And we let the factory know about it. Well, they have fixed the little problem. You don't have to know or listen to the squawk all the time. You can turn off that transmit audio for when it sends out the beacons on analog APRS. To do that, you've already initialized the options by turning on GPS and APRS in the code plug menu. And you come over here to APRS. Now, underneath the analog window here is where you're going to find this setting. It's called APRS TX Tone. You want to turn that off. Unless you want to listen to the squawk, then you turn it on. But if you're like most, you don't want to listen to it, then you turn off that TX Tone. And they've also, in the later versions, corrected the signal path parameters so that it does it properly. You don't have to finagle with the APRS signal path settings to get it to work through digis real simply. Anyway, that's it. 73, Chuck, KØXM.